everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create a Skout account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Skout application. Once you have done that, you will see two options on the bottom of your screen, that is either to log in with Google or use other options such as email, Facebook or your mobile number. Here I am going to use my email. Since we are creating a new account, tap on sign up with email. Here you need to provide your name, tap on done, select your gender, select your birthday, select the gender that you are interested in. If you are interested in both of the gender, then tap on both. Here I am going to select a random one. Tap on continue. Here you need to provide your email. Set a password that is strong enough for your account in second row. Confirm your password on third row. Tap on done. And that is how you can easily create a Skout account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.